I get thirsty at night. Always check the fridge around 2:30 a.m. For nights ago I opened it. Someone was standing in the kitchen doorway. Completely still. Blinked. Thought I imagined it. Next night same time. There again. Closer. Third night, it was standing beside the fridge. Could have touched it. Last night I stayed in bed. Forced myself not to go downstairs. This morning the fridge was open. Just slightly. And there's a water bottle on the counter. The one I drink every night. Cap already removed. Condensation still cold. I live alone. Doors locked. No signs of entry. Tonight's 2:31 a.m. I'm thirsty. But I'm not going downstairs.